go.
Happy birthday, Gaya. I made a juice for you. And it's a birthday juice.
It's a birthday juice. I'm gonna say it again. Happy birthday, Mama Ligaya.
I made a birthday juice for you.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ma. Love you.
There. And
Hi Ma'am Gayang, good morning. It's a new day. It's a happy day. Happy birthday diha kanimo, and my prayers that God will bless you more. Daghan pa kay kag matabangan. Remind yourself that you're a blessing to us, you're a blessing to my family, to the church, and to many others. And also to your family. Grabe, daghan kayong na-bless. So keep on going and keep on trusting God. Sa mga padayon pang mga pangandoy nimo, I pray nga matuman na siya in God's perfect timing. Once again, happy birthday, and we are happy for you. God bless Ma'am Gayang.
Happy birthday, Mother. We miss you. Always remember nga na kami para nimo always. Dili man kayo yung magsigig tawag, but you are always on our minds and on our hearts. Know that I love you so much, and hopefully one day we will get to be together again. Happy birthday, Ma. Enjoy your day, and God bless you always.
Hi Tia, konnichiwa. Happy 21st birthday. Wish na ako para sa mga Tia is tagaan patag taas na kinabuhi, more blessings para makatabang pa ka sa tanang tao na angay nga tabangan sama sa muhang gitabangan sa una. Tia, salamat kayo baskin patuod og badlungon kay ko or kaming duha sa kong mangudya, wala gyud mi ninyo gipasagdan o inyo gyud ming giagwanta taman sa nahuman mi og eskwela. Salamat kayo kay naamo permi sa muang kiliran kamong duha ni Tio. Thank you kayo sa tanan Tia. O maura to Tia. Ay sugod na po ng klase. Utan Jubi, kumi dito.
Sige dong.
Happy birthday. Pasensya kay wala min nakatod ya. Layo kayo. Birthday mo niya po doon. Maraming niya po birthday mo kay Bihol. Dapat ito nakasama yung lawas. And more birthday to comes. Happy birthday.
Today is August 1 and it's your birthday. Hello Auntie, kumusta? Happy birthday. Sayang wala ka dito. In-invite ka namin pero sabi mo, di sigurado. Pero anyway, happy birthday Auntie. Wish ko sana umaba pa buhay mo, good health and healthy ka lagi. Thank you.
Ate, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come, Ate. And then, always delight in the Lord. And He will give you your heart's desires. 71 naman kate, no? Okay, 10 years man atong gap. Ako 61 na po ko. Happy birthday, Ate.
Auntie Ligaya, happy birthday to you. Te, happy birthday, Te. Wala jud ka mo anhi. Birthday man day nimo. Kami dili ka celebrate for our family reunion. Te, dugan. Nagkitawa magkita, Te. Hopefully, one day magkita, Te, ha? Happy birthday and enjoy your day, Te. We love you.